Hi, this is John with WTI, and this is the OnePlus 7T, a phone that it will never be a problem for you to be moving down apps, moving fast, has a great camera, and the performance and the screen is a 90 gigahertz. So it means that it's gonna be smooth like butter. So I had this phone in the past, and it just performs awesome. It's gonna give you a nice performance, and overall is a great experience because you know that you have a reliable phone that actually looks really good. Like, and it's light. It's not gonna be your huge inch screen that sometimes it's gonna be a problem for you to fit it in your pocket. And it has this alert slider that you can put it in different modes, as silent or the normal mode for you to receive your calls. And the OS is just nice, clean, simple, and convenient. So if you want to be in an uncomplicated phone that is just going to perform perfect for you, this one is actually a great option. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point.